I am feeling much better now. Much, much better. Stayed up later than past my bedtime last night to watch our dear, dear president become elected again. Oh, it was a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful thing, baby. It's a wonderful thing. You know what I think's I cool as ironic is if you remember back in it was 17 when when Biden certified Trump as 45, and now we will get to allow the lovely Miss Word Salad herself certify the goat Trump as 47. How ironically lovely. God bless all of you. See you soon. Lots to do.